Hello students, this is the scene extract activity on Indian weavers.
Weavers weaving at break of day. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Blue as the wing of a Hellesian wild, we weave the robes of a newborn child. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage bells of a queen. Weavers weaving, solemn and still, what do you weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud.
The first activity, global understanding. The second activity, inference, interpretation, analysis. The third activity, personal response. The fourth activity, poetic devices. And the fifth activity, poetic creativity. Now, this is the first activity, web. Complete the following web. Different colors mentioned in the poem. It means what are the different four colors the poetess has been mentioned, we have to write there. Look at these three lines from the poem. We can understand here the colors given in these three lines: blue, purple and green, and white. So the answer is given here: different colors: blue, purple, green, white. Now second activity, complete. Complete the following table with using proper phrases. Time of day and words and phrases. Time of day: early morning, evening, night.
At break of day means morning. At fall of night means evening. In the moonlight chill means night.
So as the answer is here. The third activity, personal response. What do you think is the mood of the poet? And the answer is, I think the mood of the poet is changing in each stanza. The words gay, bright, solemn and still indicates the mood of the poet in respective stanzas. I think the mood is happy, energetic and serious.
The fourth activity is poetic devices. Find out rhyming words and mention rhyme scheme of the poem. Rhyming words are here: day gay, wild child, night bright, green queen, still chill, cloud shroud. Let's learn the rhyming scheme. This is the stanza first. The first word day is marked here as A. Gay rhymes with day, so it is marked again A. Wild doesn't rhyme with early two words day and gay, so it is marked as B. Child rhymes with wild, so it is marked as B. So the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is AABB. This is the rhyme scheme for the second and third stanza respectively. Now, fifth activity, poetic creativity. Compose 4 to 6 lines of your own on the theme of the importance of clothes. I have tried here to compose few lines. I read them as: I use clothes fashionable and funny. I wish to look as sunny. My trousers, shirts, shoes I like much. These are my favorite clothes, no such. Hats is on my head, how look it beautiful in red. In this attire I appear fine. In colorful clothes I look bright and shine.